Well, hello and welcome to this video on lecture 5, where we are going to discuss sustainability performance evaluation. So, as usual, in every lecture, we start with some key concepts or dimensions that we need to understand on the topic. And now we start with this key concept. So, first, we talk about strategy that maybe you already know, maybe you even know sustainability strategy. That strategy is a high level plan that sets the directions, define priorities, even set some objectives that also guide resource allocation. And the idea is to move the organization and put the organization where you want the organization to be in the future. So in a few words, the strategy is the big plan of what you need to do in order to achieve what you want to do. So it's a very big picture thing. It's a very high level concept strategy. Then performance evaluation is another concept that is very important because performance evaluation will tell you how well people or groups or divisions in the organization are doing in order to fulfill these strategic goals. So performance evaluation is a systematic assessment that's very important. That is something that is systematic, it's not random, it's something that has coherence, and it tries to assess results and behaviors against objectives that have been put in place and that they are kind of linked to the strategy. And then this evaluation informs rewards, it informs plans for improvement and accountability. So the performance evaluation, again, is a system. It aims to evaluate how well or bad individuals, groups, and divisions are doing to meet objectives that are connected to the strategy. And finally, key performance indicators or KPIs are the smallest unit of analysis of performance evaluation, because in performance evaluation, again, is also kind of the big picture, is the whole system to evaluate. But KPIs are the smallest unit. These KPIs are quantifiable objective measures that directly track the progress against a specific objective. So it is the smallest unit, and a combination or a group of these KPIs will then translate into the evaluation we will see later on. So strategy is the big plan. Performance evaluation is a systematic approach to assess the progress in the organization, and KPIs is the smallest unit that is based on quantifiable objective measures to check how we are progressing. So that's the introduction to the topic. I think in the next videos we will see how to apply all of this in the realm of sustainability.